The Home Depot literally just got smoked, crushed when it comes to tool deals on Milwaukee IA. Listen, this is the 219 pack out. Right now it's on sale. You think that's a good deal? That's nothing to what I'm about to show you right now. So Home Depot is doing the buy more, save more. We talked about that on a recent video. I'll put that at the end of this video for you to check out some more power tool deals. The problem is the Home Depot is a little sneaky about this. So basically what they did was they dropped the pack out system. It's a very popular system to 219. What happens is that puts you out of the reach for the buy more, save more deal. It has to be like $2.99 and above to save any money. And $2.19 is not a bad deal for that. But what I'm going to show you now blows this out of the water. All right, so here's the same deal. 100% legit site. A lot of the subscribers love this website. I'll put a link in the description below. So you're seeing $2.99. You're saying, Clint, you crazy, man? You crazy? That's not saving me money. It's only saving 2%. But watch what happens. There's 2 promo codes on this pack out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to my cart. I'm going to come up here, hit add to cart, and you can see that this dropped to 184. Total estimate 191.48. So if you were to use this promo code, this is automatically going to put this into the cart, the reduced price, the reduced price. So there's 2 promos on Milwaukee Tools right now. If you put this in your cart, it's automatically going to apply. Let me go to view cart here. And what you do is check out the promo codes. Now the promo codes, if you use Jump Red, J-U-M-P-R-E-D in the promo code. All right, so here's the promo Jump Red. If you spend $199 on select Milwaukee IA items, you save $25 with that code. On the purchase of the $299, you save $50, which I believe that box was. At $259, you're saving $50. Or purchase $499, it's $500. Save $100 with that. Now, I just want to let you know, it says maximum discount of $100 per order. That's per order. So it sounds like you can make multiple orders and save this money. And it's the online only, not in store. So if you plan on spending $5,000, don't put it all on one purchase. Make them separate purchases and save a little extra moolah. Now, if you're asking yourself, how does that math make sense? It was $299, but then $50 off and I'm down to $184. Then with taxes, $191. Well, it also qualifies, and you got to look for this, buy more, save more promotion. So, but if I were to do this deal with the buy more, save more and use that Jump Red code, now it doesn't look like the buy more, save more applies to this, but look at this, $279 for this framing nailer. And this applies on pretty much all of the Milwaukee Tools. I'll leave a link in the description below. It'll take you. Just look for what you want and you're going to save more money. It's crushing Home Depot right now with these deals. So really good stuff. I just wanted to give you a heads up. I'm not going to make this video real long. If you want to save some money, check out that link. Use that Jump Red discount code, and then also look to see if you're going to have that buy more, save more code. With that, you're probably going to save a little bit of money. Also, if you want to see a Harbor Freight holiday Black Friday deal, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to see that. I'm not going to do it unless I know you want to see it. Also, I got a couple other deal videos for you right here. Check those out. Back with more videos soon.